So it looks like Bitcoin is going to correct in a few weeks and days. It looks like Bitcoin had a fake pump to the upside and now could roll over to the 8,000 levels in the near future. So stay tuned and let's roll the cameras. So I hope you're having a good day. This is me, Digital Digits, bringing you a weekly video on Bitcoin, Litecoin and Ethereum. But before we start the video, please make sure to like and subscribe down below. So what you see on your screens is the Bitcoin price, and it looks like Bitcoin is starting to roll over to the downside. Bitcoin needs to break above this horizontal upwards trend line if the bullish scenario will remain. If the bearish scenario does occur, that means Bitcoin could roll over and go to the downside and retest the 9,000 levels. So it's currently a Sunday as I'm making this video, so the price could be different when you see it on your charts. So it's clearly shown on the charts that Bitcoin is somehow going to the downside, but it could be a small little correction or a violent move to the downside, and we expect Bitcoin to reach lower targets if the scenario does occur. So this is the gold chart right in front of your screens, and currently gold is forming this sort of descending triangle, and descending triangles are normally bearish patterns if you look at classical chart patterns. So in the past few weeks and years, we have seen a very good correlation with the Bitcoin price and also gold. So this scenario could happen as Bitcoin likes to follow gold and also gold likes to follow Bitcoin. So the correlation is very strong when it comes to these two commodities, one physical, one digital. So if this setup plays out, we could see the Bitcoin price also plunging to lower levels if the gold price does actually take a hit and roll over and go to the downside. We will see Bitcoin doing the same thing, and this will also affect all other cryptocurrencies if Bitcoin does roll over to the downside. So now let's go and take a look at the Ethereum price. So this is the Ethereum chart right in front of your screens. Currently Ethereum did also have this dump that occurred when Bitcoin also took a hit in a few weeks back, and currently now Ethereum is trending to the upside. But I personally believe Ethereum is somehow forming an rising wedge which normally breaks to the downside, which could lead to a $280 Ethereum price target in the near future if this scenario does occur. But if Ethereum does have a significant break above this green upwards trend line, we could see the Ethereum price reaching higher targets. That could mean that the Bitcoin price is also going to follow the same price action that Ethereum is setting out, because sometimes some of these altcoins can predict the Bitcoin price or front run the Bitcoin price. So this is a possible scenario for Ethereum. So this is the Litecoin chart that you see on your screens, and Litecoin did have a rejection at above the $60 level before seeing this correction to the downside. Now the price is currently trading at $40 at the time of making this video. Litecoin is a very fundamentally bullish coin, and we could see some sideways action for Litecoin in the coming weeks and months. Benjamin Cohen also said that Litecoin could start trending sideways before we see some parabolic moves to the upside. So even though Litecoin is expected for another crash to the downside, we could see a very good buy opportunity to accumulate some more Litecoins at a very cheap price. But I personally believe Litecoin will reach higher price targets in a few years, and Bitcoin will do so. So this is gonna be it for today's video. Always stay digital.